My name's Nathan. You might have seen me on Channel 5 on Milkshake in the mornings. And I've got a really important question for all of you. Are you ready for today's Letters and Sounds Phonics lesson?
Hello children, my name is Josh. Let's begin our Letters and Sounds lesson and learn to read some new words. Let's start with some phonemes you already know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. This first card says shh. Are you ready? Off you go. Well done. Let's check you got them right. Read aloud with me. Sh. Ch. K. Or sh. K. Or s. Or. Oo or You or oo. Ow or o. O or O. Ow, o or O. O. E. Y. E or I. Well done! Super sounds! Let's read some words with graphemes we already know. We know the sound sh is written like this. There is another way to write the sound sh, and it looks like this. We know the sound k is written like this. There is another way to write the sound k, and it looks like this. This grapheme can make 3 different sounds. It can make ch, sh, or k. Now let's sort some words. Does this grapheme make a ch, sh, or k sound? Here is the first word. Does it have the phoneme ch, sh, or k? Help me put the word in the correct place. Shout out ch if the word has a ch sound like chair, or sh if it has a sh sound like shell, or shout out k if it has a k sound like cat. Help me work this word out. Is it ch, f, sh, f, or k, f? Yes, it says chef. A chef is a professional cook. Chef has the sh sound. So I'm popping it here, under the shell. Let's do another. Can you read the word? Does it have ch, sh, or k? Help me to work it out. Is it a, n, ch, or a, n, sh, or is it a, n, k, or? Yes, it's anchor, but of course we say anchor. Here is a picture of an anchor. Ships use anchors when they want to stay in the same position. So, this digraph makes the sound k. So I'm popping it here, under the cat. There we go. Now let's look at another word. Read the word. Ch, sh, or k. Help me work it out. Is it ch, e, m, I, s, t? Or is it sh, e, m, I, s, t? Or is it k, e, m, I, s, t? Yes, the word says chemist. Chemist begins with a k sound. So I'm popping it here under the cat. A chemist is somebody that works with medicine. Here is my next word. Can you read the word? Is it ch, sh, or k? Help me work it out. Is it s, k, r, n, ch? Or s, k, r, n, sh? Or s, k, r, n, k? Yes, scrunch sounds right. Scrunch has the ch sound. So I'm popping it here, under the chair. There we go. Let's do another. Here's the word. Is it ch, sh, or k? Help me work it out. Is it b, r, o, ch, your? Or is it b, r, o, sh, your? Or is it b, r, o, k, your? Yes, the word says brochure. Brochure has the sound sh. A brochure is a small book or a magazine with pictures and information. You might use a brochure to try and find a holiday. Brochure has the sound sh. So I'm popping it here under the shell. Let's do another. Here's the word. Read the word. Ch, sh, or k. Help me work it out. Is it s, ch, oo, ul, or s, sh, oo, ul, or s, k, oo, ul. Well, the only word that sounds real there is school. School has the sound k. So I think I should pop it here, under the cat. Let's look at another word. Here it is. Read the word ch, sh, or k. Help me work it out. Is it b, e, n, ch, b, e, n, sh, or b, e, n, k? Yes, the word says bench. You sit on a bench. Bench has the ch sound. So I'm popping it here under the chair. Well, we have one more word. Here it is. Read the word ch, sh, or k. Help me work it out. Is it ch, oo, sh, oo, or k, oo? Well, shoe is a word, but it is not written like this. This word says chew. Chew begins with the digraph ch. So I'm popping it here, under the chair. Now we have sorted them all. Fantastic. Now I'm going to mix the words up. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Off you go. Shall we check? Read them with me. School, scrunch, anchor, brochure, chew, chef, bench, chemist. Fantastic! You are superstars today, children. Today, we are learning to read a new way of writing the sound ch. Copy me. Ch, ch, ch. Let's sound talk some words with the phoneme ch. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. M, a, ch. M, a, ch. Match. A match can be used to make a flame, or if two things are the same. We can say they match, like these. These two pegs match. A match that is used to light a flame looks like this. Copy me. Say the sounds and then blend the sounds to say the word. S, t, I, ch. itch. Stitch. Stitches are what hold your clothes together. You use a needle and a thread to stitch clothes together. Here is a needle used for stitching, and here are some stitches. Let's sound talk our final word. Copy me again, say the sounds, then blend the sounds to say the word. D, itch. D, itch. Ditch. A ditch is used to take water away from fields and paths. Ditches stop flooding. Here is a picture of a ditch. Now, we know the sound ch is written like this. Today, we are learning to read a new grapheme for ch, and it looks like this. Let's read the new grapheme for the sound ch. Can you say the sound ch each time I show you this trigraph? That's right, the sound is ch. That was excellent. Now let's read some words with our new grapheme for the sound ch. Here is the first word. Read each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. Match. Match. Did you get it right? Here is the second word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. Fetch. Fetch. If you get something from somewhere, you fetch it. Here is our next word. Sound talk and blend as I point. Now let's read the word together. Scratchy. Scratchy. If something is rough on your skin and makes you itch, it is scratchy. What about this word? Sound talk and blend as I point. Now let's read the word together. Stitch. Stitch. Did you get it right? Here is the final word. Sound talk and blend as I point. Now let's read the word together. D-itch. Ditch. Did you get it right? Here is the next word. Sound talk each grapheme and then blend to read the word aloud. Now let's read the word together. K-itch-en. Kitchen. But we say kitchen. We cook in a kitchen. Can you read the words on the cards without any help? I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Off you go. Well done. Let's check. Read them with me. Match, fetch, kitchen, scratchy, stitch, ditch. You are doing so well today, children. Well done. Now, let's practice reading 2 tricky words that you have met before. Here is the first tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is here. It says e. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Friend. Friend. Well done. Let's practice reading another tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bits in this word? Yes, the tricky bits are here it says a. For some people it says r. Here it says f. And here at the end it says t. Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Laughed. Laughed or laughed. Laughed. The word says laughed or laughed. Let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in it. Here is the first sentence. Can you see the words with graphemes that make the sound ch? Yes. Here is the trigraph that makes the sound ch. And here is the trigraph again that makes the sound ch. Can you see any other words with digraphs? Yes, this word has a digraph here, E. And this word has a digraph here, O. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Remember, sound out any words you are not sure of. Off you go. Well, that was brilliant reading. Now let's read this together. Please fetch the soap from the kitchen. Let's read the sentence one more time. Please fetch the soap from the kitchen. It is very helpful to fetch things for other people. Here is our next sentence. Can you see the words with graphemes that make the sound ch? Yes. Here is the digraph ch in this word. And here is the digraph ch in this word. Can you see any other words with digraphs? That's right. This word has the digraph v. This word has the digraph ow. And this word at the end has two digraphs. K and oo. Can you see the tricky word we learnt to read today? Yes, here it is. The tricky word that we learnt to read today. Now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. And of course, sound out any words that you are not sure of. Here we go. Well, that was fantastic reading. Now let's read together. I sit on the bench with my friends and chat about school. Let's read the sentence one more time. I sit on the bench with my friends and chat about school. It is lovely to sit outside and chat with friends. Well, that was excellent reading, children. Now let's finish by spelling some words. Because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. You will need your paper and something to write with. Let's spell two words with the new spelling of ch. Let's start by spelling match. Segment the sounds with me. Match. Ch. Let's count how many sounds there are. Match. Ch. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write match. Remember, I need 3 sounds. My first sound says and my next sound says ah. And then my final sound is ch, but it is written with 3 letters, T, C and H. It's our new grapheme for the sound ch. So the word says match. Ch. 3 sounds. Now I would like you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget the ch is written T-C-H. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Does your spelling of the word match look like mine? Don't worry if not. Just quickly change it now. Match. Ch. 3 sounds. Okay, now let's spell fetch. Segment the sounds with me. Fetch. F-E-ch. Let's count how many sounds there are. Fetch. F-E-ch. That's 3 sounds. Watch me write fetch. My first sound is f. My second sound is e. And my final sound is our new grapheme for the sound ch. It's a trigraph. Ch. So the word says fetch. F-e-ch. 3 sounds. Now, you have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. Write them down. Don't forget, ch is written T-C-H. Let's check our spelling. How did you get on? Did you get it right? Fetch. F-e-ch. 3 sounds. Now let's move on and spell a tricky word we have met before. Friend. Segment the sounds with me. Friend. F-r-e-n-d. Let's count how many sounds there are. Friend. F-r-e-n-d. That's 5 sounds. Watch me write friend. Can you remember the tricky bit? Well, the first bit is easy enough. It says f. The second sound is r. Oh yes, now it's the tricky bit. The letters I and E say e. Then we have n, and then at the end we have d. The word says friend. F-r-e-n-d. 5 sounds. Now it's time for you to have a go. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The letters I and E say eh. Write it down. Okay. Shall we check our spelling? Did you get it right? Does your spelling of this tricky word match mine? Oh, don't worry if not. Just quickly change it now. Friend. F-r-e-n-d. 5 sounds. Okay, now let's practice spelling another tricky word that you have met before. Laughed. Segment the sounds with me. Laughed. L-a-f-t. Let's count how many sounds there are. Laughed. L-a-f-t. That's 4 sounds. Remember, for some people, it could be l-a-f-t. But there are still 4 sounds. Watch me write laughed. The first bit is easy. It says l. The second bit is tricky. For some people, the letters A and U say a, and for some people, they say ah. Then, the letters G and H say th. And there's another tricky bit at the end. The letters E and D say t. Laughed. L-a-f-t. Or laughed. L-a-f-t. 4 sounds. Now it's your turn. Say the word. Say the sounds. What's the tricky bit? The letters A and U say R or A, and GH says F, and ED on the end says T. Write it all down. Okay? Let's check our spelling. Does your spelling of this word match mine? Well done! If it doesn't, just quickly change it now. Laughed or laughed. L-a-f-t or l-a-f-t. It has 4 sounds. Brilliant, children. Fantastic. You have worked so hard practicing reading and spelling. See you soon for another lesson with letters and sounds.
Hi children, I hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. You have worked really hard and we are so proud of you. Why don't you celebrate by sharing a lovely book together with someone at home?